Engineering life is tough. Don't worry. Ito yung 5 habits na makakatulong sa inyo to become better engineering student. Number 1, solve problems daily. Hindi sapat yung nagbabasa ka lang. Kailangan lagi ka nag-solve. Kahit isang problem a day, makakatulong yan for consistency. Number 2, stay curious. Pag may di ka gets, huwag mo ignore. Magtanong ka sa prof mo, sa kaibigan mo, or sa Google. Yung pagiging curious, yan yung magpapalevel up sa inyo. Number 3, organize your notes. Ang engineering subjects ang hahaba. Gumawa ka ng sariling reviewer or formula sheet. Mas madali mag-review kasi pag maayos yung notes mo. Number 4, manage your time. Alam natin minsan, nagsasabay-sabay yung projects, quizzes, exams, or assignments. Kaya dapat marunong ka mag-prioritize. At syempre, huwag kalimutan magpahinga. Number 5, connect with other engineers. Study groups, forums, or kahit online communities. Mas mabilis ka matuto kapag may kasama kang mag-aral. Collaboration is key. So, simulan mo na tong habits na to. Tandaan, small habits equals big results. Follow me for more civil engineering tips.